everyone, I'm Pranshi Verma from ABES Engineering College, Ghaziabad. In this lecture, I'm going to discuss Iterator interface and collection interface in Java collection framework. Let's get started today's lecture. Iterator interface. As the name suggests, iterator, it comes from iteration. Iterator interface in Java is a part of Java collection framework and it's used to traverse the elements in a collection. Basically, it provides a way to access and manipulate the elements of a collection in a sequential manner. Please note it down, sequential manner, without exposing the underlying implementations details of the collection. Means it doesn't affect of the original data. Iterator interface is considered as a universal iterator from the Java version Java 1.2 as it can be applied to any collection object. There are some key features of iterator interface in Java. They include, first one is iterator interface traverse the element only in the forward direction. Next, iterator interface perform both the operations, includes read and remove. Let's discuss how to declare iterator interface in Java. So firstly, write public as this access specifier, then write interface, then iterator interface, then elements in the diamond syntax. Alright, so it's all about iterator interface in Java. Let's discuss a code about iterator interface in Java using array list. Here, in the first line, package declaration. This line declares a package named unit4 underscore CATL. Basically, packages are used to group related classes together. Then we have some import statements, and here first import statement is import java.util.arraylist. Then we have import java.util.iterator. These line import the ArrayList classes and the iterator interface from the java.util package. The ArrayList class provide a resizable array and the iterator interface is used to iterate over elements of a collection. Next, we have class declaration in the line 10. Public class iterator example. This line declares a public class named iterator example. Basically, a class is a blueprint for creating objects. Then we have main method, which is the entry point of any Java application, any Java program. Then here in the line 15, an array list. An array list named numbers created to hold integers values. Now our array list is successfully created. Then we have adding some numbers in it. So first with the help of variable name, that is numbers, here numbers.add method, some elements are added in it. First one is 1, then 2, then 3. Now array list is successfully created and elements are also added in it. Next, we are using iterator for iteration over the array list elements. So how to create iterator? We are creating iterator with the help of iterator interface. Then here in the line 26, this line retrieves an iterator for the numbers array list. These iterators will be used to traverse the list in the forward direction. Let's iterate through the array list with the help of while loop. This while loop iterates through the elements of the numbers array list using the iterator. And here use the hasNext method. As I already told you, hasNext method checks there are some more elements to iterate over are present in the collection or not. Then we are retrieving the next element in the array list with the help of next method. Then we are just simply the print our overall array list with the help of system.out.println command. the output. So here is the output of this code. All the elements are present in the array list are successfully iterate with the help of iterator interface, and the elements are 1, 2 and 3. So now let's discuss our next interface, that is collection interface in Java. Collection interface in Java. Collection interface in Java is defined in the java.util package, and it extends the iterable interface. This means that all collections in Java are iterable. They allowing them to be used in enhanced for loop, that is for each loop, with iterators. The collection interface doesn't implement any methods directly. Instead, it defines several methods that must be implemented by concrete class, maybe array list, that implements the interface, collection interface. As I already told you, collection interface doesn't implement any method directly, but still some methods are present in the collection interface, and in these methods, first we have add elements method. With the help of this method, we can add the specified element in the collection. Then we have add all element method. As the name suggests, add all. With the help of add alls methods, we can add all the elements from the specified collection into the collection. Then we have clear method. Clear means just remove all the elements from the collection. Then we have collection object. With the help of this method, we can check a particular collection contains the specified element or not. Then we have contains all method. As the name suggests, contains all. Contains all method returns true if the collection contains all the elements in the specified collection, and false if the collection doesn't contains all the elements in the specified collection. Let's move forward. Next we have equals method. Equals methods are used to compare the specified object with the collection for equality. Next we have hashcode method. Hashcode method returns the hashcode value for the collection. Next we have isEmpty method. IsEmpty method returns true if the collection is empty and false if the collection is not empty. Then we have iterator method. Iterator method returns an iterator over the elements in the particular collection. Then we have remove method. Remove method, as the name suggests, I already discussed in the iterable interface. Remove method removes a single instance of the specified element from the collection. Then we have remove all method. Remove all method removes from the collection all the elements that are also contained in the specified collection. Then we have retain all. With the help of retain all method, it retains only the elements in the collection that are also contained in the specified particular collection. Then we have size method. Size method returns the number of elements in the collection. Then toArray method. ToArray method returns an array that containing all the elements in the collection. So it's all about collection interface and their methods in Java. As I already told you, collection interface doesn't implement any methods directly, but you can use all these methods with any concrete classes. For example, array list, linked list, etc. So it's all about collection interface and iterator interface in Java. These are the references used to design this lecture. You can refer this for more information. And in the next lecture, we will discuss list interface and array list in detail. Thank you for your patient listening.